512 is a new community partner campaign for all Hernando County schools. A way for anyone, whether it be a parent, business, or any citizen, to give to any school of their choice through our nonprofit organization. Money raised is used to fulfill our student and teacher needs.
We are 512.
We are 512.
We are 512.
Nosotros somos 512.
512 helps me.
I am 512.
512 helps me.
We are 512.
I am 512.
I am 512.
I am 512.
I am 512.
We are 512. 512 helps me.
Visit our website at www.cpwithck8.org.